like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and select Open. Now, from this screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on the other Samsung smartphone. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you can finally select Receive on S22 Ultra and Send on this Samsung smartphone. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos, select one of them and tap on Send, only for example. Then select Got It, and as you can see from here we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Samsung S22 Ultra, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and click on Receive or on the Done button on your keyboard. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!